like to show you my two favorite ways to loosen up my calf muscles and lower back. So one of my favorite things is they're the yoga balls. You can also use a lacrosse ball, and what they are, they're quite firm balls, but they do have some give, and they're great for getting into the knots, the tense tissues of muscles and ligaments and tendons. So one of my favorite things to do is use this on my calf muscles. The calf muscles are often neglected, and for women, if we wear high heels or shoes that don't fit properly, these muscles tend to tighten up. And most physios or trainers will tell you that there is a connection to tight calf muscles and lower back pain. So this is one of my favorites. We're going to take the ball, just starting it above the ankle, and we're going to roll through this tissue here. So we're going to kind of do an oval shape. The calf consists of two muscles. There's the soleus and the gastrocnemius. So we're going to kind of go side to side so we get both of them. Now, if you feel you have a point you get to and it's especially painful, just hang out there. Use the breath, so inhaling, exhaling, really focusing on releasing through that part of the calf muscle that you feel is most tight. And then you can continue on. So ideally do this for a couple minutes until you feel that the tissue's loosened up. And then you can switch to the other side. Now another one of my favorites is to use the strap to open up the lower back and the sacrum. It's also a very relaxing position. So what we're going to do is take a strap. You can also use a belt. These straps, though, if you purchase them, they're quite inexpensive. You can probably get them anywhere from $5 to $12 bucks. So we're going to take the loop. We're going to place our feet through the loop, and then just above the knee, you're going to tighten it. You just want to make sure that the metal part is out of the way so it's not causing any pain. And then we're going to come down to the floor. So for new moms, always good to slide down sideways instead of come straight down. And then come comfortably onto your back, and we're going to take the heels wide. What we're doing is now creating a bit of a stretch in the outer thigh. So you want to take a few deep breaths here. Let your ribs release down to the floor. Maybe lift your hips for a moment and then try to take the knees farther away from you so you create more space through the back, and then drop down again. And then for a little added bonus, what you can do is take the arms out. This is cactus in that 90 degrees. Take the arms out wide. Make sure you're not coming off the floor with the ribs. Release them. And then just hang out here for a couple minutes. You may find as your legs release, you can even open the feet wider. But yeah, at least 2 minutes to let the tissue really relax and release. And then when you're done, you can just come on up, press on up, and release it. So yeah, try this out as often as you can, and I can guarantee that you'll definitely feel more comfortable through your lower back, hips, and calf muscles.